Welcome to Module 16, Continuous Improvement in Bid Management. Resting on past successes is a recipe for stagnation. The pursuit of excellence demands a proactive and ongoing process of refining strategies, optimizing processes, and enhancing capabilities to consistently deliver winning proposals. This module will delve into the essential elements of continuous improvement in bid management, exploring a holistic framework for fostering a culture of excellence and sustained success in the bidding arena. Module objectives. Participants will be able to apply a systematic approach to continuous improvement to consistently deliver winning proposals. We'll learn to develop and refine bid processes and templates for enhanced efficiency and consistency. We'll understand how to leverage technology and tools to automate tasks and improve collaboration. We'll master the process of staying updated on industry best practices and fostering a culture of innovation. We'll be able to invest in training and development to enhance the skills and expertise of your bid team. Investing in bid management training and development. Unlocking potential. Welcome to Lecture 16.1. Investing in bid management training and development is a strategic imperative for organizations seeking to enhance their bidding capabilities, improve win rates, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Equipping bid professionals with the necessary knowledge, skills, and competencies is crucial for navigating the complexities of the bidding process and delivering compelling, winning proposals. Strategic importance and purpose. Training and development directly contribute to your organization's success by enhanced bidding skills and knowledge, equipping your team with the fundamental principles and best practices of effective bid management. Improved proposal quality, ensuring well-trained professionals are better equipped to develop clear, concise, and persuasive proposals. Increased win rates. By improving individual and team performance, targeted training directly contributes to higher win rates. Standardized processes. Training ensures a consistent understanding and application of your organization's bid processes and methodologies. Attracting and retaining talent. Investing in employee development demonstrates a commitment to professional growth, making the organization more attractive to talented bid professionals. Key areas of focus for training. A comprehensive training program should focus on a variety of key areas. Bid process and governance. Training on the organization's end-to-end bid process, from opportunity qualification to submission. Project management. Developing skills in planning, organizing, and managing the bid lifecycle. Proposal writing and content development. Developing skills in persuasive writing, structuring compelling narratives, and tailoring content to client needs. Leadership and teamwork. Developing leadership skills for bid managers and fostering effective teamwork and collaboration. Bid strategy and win theme development. Equipping bid teams with the knowledge to analyze client requirements, understand the competitive landscape, and develop compelling win themes. Effective approaches to training. To ensure your training is effective, you should conduct a needs assessment. Identify specific training needs and skill gaps within your bid team. Utilize a blended learning approach. Use a combination of instructor-led workshops, online courses, and on-the-job coaching. Incorporate practical exercises. Use practical exercises and bid simulations to provide hands-on learning opportunities. Leverage external expertise. Consider external training providers and encourage bid professionals to pursue relevant industry certifications. Foster a culture of learning. Promote a mindset of continuous learning by providing ongoing access to training resources and supporting individual development plans. Key takeaways. Unlocking higher win rates through skill development. Investing in bid management training and development is not an expense but a strategic investment that yields significant returns. By focusing on key areas of development and fostering a culture of continuous learning, organizations can empower their bid professionals to excel, navigate the complexities of the bidding process with confidence, and ultimately drive greater success in securing new business opportunities.